September 2024, Webster, Wisconsin. The flashing hazard lights cut through the darkness like a distress signal on a lonely stretch of road. A tribal police sergeant, initially responding to an alarm, circles back to check on a vehicle that hasn't moved. He isn't looking for a fight, he's looking for a stranded motorist. He finds a 29-year-old woman slumped over the wheel, the universal sign of medical distress, or something much more chemical. But as he taps on the glass, the scene shifts instantly from a rescue mission to a slow-motion chase. The driver doesn't thank him, she flees, and when she finally stops again, she doesn't offer an explanation. She offers a masterclass in gaslighting, calling 911 on the officer arresting her and delivering a soliloquy about being the only person on this earth, while kicking a cop in the chest. Let's have a quick human moment here. You know that kind of tired where your body is parked but your brain is still buffering? We've all had that. We've all pulled over for a minute thinking, I just need to breathe, send this one text, and reset. But if you're about to watch someone take a welfare check, an actual moment of compassion, and somehow alchemize it into a felony battery charge, all while flexing the I'm a caregiver title like it's diplomatic immunity and yelling like my thong during a search, do me a favor and tap like. Not because YouTube needs it, because we need it. Because what's coming next is the kind of delusion that drains your battery just from watching it.
Roll your window down. Roll your window down. Hi, is everything okay? Okay, why are you stopped along the road? You got a driver's license on you? You don't have a driver's license? Okay, whoa, hey, wait! She's taking off on me.
10-4, what's your rate of travel?
About 45. Looks like we're stopping now. Okay, she stopped. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
422.
What do you mean, what do I mean?
I'm just on the back road. What? What's up?
What's up? You took off on me.
What do you mean took off?
How much have you had to drink?
I haven't had any to drink. What do you mean? Breathalyze me then.
What kind of drugs are you on?
What kind? I work overnight. I just had tonight off. I'm just trying to have a break. I'm doing a lot of shit.
Why did you take off on me?
I'm not taking off.
Yeah, you did. Do you have any identification at all?
Somewhere, just hold on. Can you relax?
I could smell alcohol on your breath.
Where's my...
No, I want to see a driver's license.
Can you not blind me? Like, how the f am I supposed to see?
Attitude better change.
It's my head.
Right now you're on your way to jail. Roll the window down.
What?
You took off on me.
I didn't take off.
Failure
That's
to
you
yield
being
to...
very over-exaggerated.
Really? I've got it all
Yes,
on camera.
absolutely. That's fine. What am I supposed to say? Blind me more and I can see more?
Give me your driver's license.
Can you back up? You're literally in my
I'm just about
face.
to take you out and put you in handcuffs.
For what? You're blinding me.
Let me see your driver's license.
How can I see if you can't? You literally
Okay,
can't
step
make me
out of the
see.
car. Step out of the car.
I can't see. Look.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're going to be tased.
1 second.
Get out of the car. You're going to be tased. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Ma'am, get out of the car. 422, but I need back up. Then get out of the car. Send me back up. Get out of the car, ma'am. Ma'am, get out of the car. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Disorderly conduct, and you kicked me. I'm telling you to get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Get off your phone.
Can you talk to me, please?
Get off your phone.
He's saying it's disorderly conduct.
And assault.
I leaned in my car and I pushed him with my foot.
Get out of the car.
He's yelling at me.
Get out of the car, man. Get out of the car. Get out of the...
God, what the f***? Why is he grabbing me? There's no reason for this.
I will warn you one more time. Get out of the car. Get out of the car or you get tased.
I'm just trying to relax. My dad's dead.
Get out of the car.
Please stop.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
I'm the only person that's here for for me. I am the only person on this earth for me.
Car,
Why
ma'am.
is this happening?
You are under arrest.
For
Get
what?
out of the car. I told
For
you.
what?
I told you.
Can you just talk to me instead of just paying attention
Get out of the
to
car.
me?
You're under arrest. Talk is too
Stop
late.
talking to me.
The talking is over. Get out of the
For
car.
what?
You are under
I
arrest.
haven't done anything.
Yes, you have. Get out of the
Talk
car.
to me.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Just let me breathe.
Get out of the car.
Just let me breathe.
Get out
I'm
of the
just
car.
trying to breathe. I'm not even bad. What is going on?
Get out of the car.
What
I've
are
explained
you?
to you.
You haven't explained anything to me.
Get out of the
pointing
car.
a taser to me. I'm just
That's
trying
right.
to talk to you. Can you please?
Every time I reach in to try and take you into custody, you
It's
fight me.
because you're reaching into my car.
That's right. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. You are under arrest, ma'am.
Just relax. Just talk. Stop yelling.
Get out of the car, ma'am.
Just breathe.
Get out of the
How
car.
am I supposed to
You are
do
under
this?
arrest.
1 second. Can you just
No,
talk to me?
no, there is no 1 second. Get out of the car. You are under
Ma'am,
arrest.
out of the car.
Someone just talk
Right
to
now.
me
Out of the car.
anyway.
Out of the car.
They're ripping the
Out of the car.
Out of the
Oh
car.
my god.
Get out of the car,
car.
ma'am.
Out of the car.
I'm gonna tase her.
I hate people that
I'm gonna tase her.
Get out of the car.
I'm gonna tase her. Get back. Get out of the car.
You don't have to break my
Out of the
heart.
car.
Get out of the car.
My
You're
glass.
right. Out of the car now.
Get out of the car,
Out of the
ma'am.
car now. Out of the car.
Come on, get off me.
Get out of the
Out of
car.
the car.
I had no
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get pepper spray. You not go.
I just wanted to talk.
Guys, I'm gonna tase her. I'm gonna tase her. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're gonna get it again. Get out of the car. Then do it.
Just talk to me.
Then do it, ma'am.
You gotta do it then.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're gonna get tased again.
Let me breathe. I was just gonna...
Get out of the car, ma'am. Get out of the car.
Why are you doing this to me? You're being such an ass.
Get out of the car.
You like my thong, you piece of shit. I'm just a fucking caregiver, you piece of shit.
Down on the ground.
On the ground.
I don't have any people support. I don't have any people support.
You got yours? Okay.
Oh!
Okay. Let's get her in my car. Let's go.
I'm an ass. Just relax. You're being a dick. Can I get my glasses?
Okay. Have a seat in the car, ma'am.
Go down. Go and slide your feet in.
Slide in.
Can you just tell me why?
I've told you numerous times. Get in the car.
For real, I have
Get in the car, ma'am.
anxiety.
Okay.
I just don't like being people. I just want to try and chill. I just don't like fucking people.
Okay, get in the car.
Put your legs in the car. You're under arrest for resisting. Come on.
Well, she's battery too to a police officer. She kicked me.
Feet in.
Stop it, stop
Back in a minute.
Wait, can you take...
Holy sh! She was sitting along the road. I knocked at the window and I said, okay, see driver's license. No. And then all of a sudden she took off on me. It's like, okay.
Right.
It looks like a one-hitter right there in plain view.
And it reeks like weed. So.
And it reeks like weed.
She also smelled like she was drunk.
I could smell odor of intoxicant.
So she must have called 911.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
were
good.
trying
We
to-
got that on 911 too. Well, I'm going to get her down there and start booking if you guys want to take a look in the car. But I want to get her down there as quick as I can. Thank you. All righty.
When do we go back?
Well, right now we're going to jail.
One day when we go.
We're going right now.
So where are my glasses?
I have no idea.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Oh, I got money to fucking replace them. These cameras.
How's it going today?
Well, it was going okay.
Not so much anymore, huh?
Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, go over here by
My
your...
left arm.
Okay.
I hurt my mouth, please.
Stand up for long for me. I'm sorry.
She was a fighter. She was a fighter. I mean, we couldn't get her out of the car.
She wasn't giving a pain complaint.
But she was along the shoulder of the road, and I saw her there when I went to go answer the alarm that we had. So then I come back again and still there.
We first have to analyze the initial interaction through the lens of the community caretaking function. This is a legal and sociological concept where police act not as crime fighters, but as helpers. The sergeant didn't pull her over, she was already stopped. He circled back because he was worried. When he finds her slumped over, his primary psychological state is concern. Is she having a stroke? Is it an overdose? Is she just tired? The suspect's reaction, however, is a fascinating study in guilt-induced paranoia. A sober, tired person wakes up, sees a cop, rolls down the window, and says, "Oh, sorry, officer, I was just resting." A person under the influence of alcohol or narcotics, as later evidence suggests, sees the badge and immediately enters a fight-or-flight response. Her brain, clouded by substances, misinterprets the offer of help as a predator closing in, so she chooses flight. But notice the nature of the flight. It isn't a high-speed burnout. She casually drives away at 45 miles per hour. This is what we call dissociative evasion. She isn't running to somewhere, she is just running away from the immediate stressor. She is trying to physically distance herself from the authority figure, hoping that if she puts enough asphalt between them, the reality of the situation will reset. It is the logic of a toddler who covers their eyes to hide, but applied to a 3,000-pound motor vehicle. When she stops the second time, her defense mechanism shifts from flight to gaslighting. "You took off on me." What do you mean took off? She denies the physical reality of the last 60 seconds. This is a hallmark of someone whose cognitive map is completely scrambled. She genuinely believes that if she denies the flight, the officer might doubt his own memory. It is a desperate attempt to rewrite history in real time. Let's step into the law lecture hall, because this video is a perfect example of how the Fourth Amendment status of an encounter can shift in the blink of an eye. Phase 1. The consensual encounter/welfare check. When the officer first walks up, she is not detained, he is checking on her well-being. Under the Supreme Court's interpretation of the community caretaking doctrine, Katie versus Dombrowski, police can interact with citizens to ensure safety without reasonable suspicion of a crime. Phase 2. The seizure. The moment she drives away, the legal ground shifts tectonically. By fleeing a police officer who is attempting to make contact, even for a welfare check, but especially once he activated lights/sirens, she commits the crime of fleeing or eluding, Wisconsin Statute 346.04. At this exact second, the officer has probable cause to arrest her. The welfare check is over. This is now a felony stop. Phase 3, the order to exit. Pennsylvania versus Mims. We see the familiar struggle. Get out of the car. Why? Once again, we must cite Pennsylvania versus Mims. In a lawful traffic stop, which this now is, the officer has absolute authority to order the driver out. He does not need to explain his probable cause. He does not need to articulate the charges before she exits. The order is lawful, and her refusal is resisting/obstructing. The 911 call maneuver. She calls 911 on the officer. This is a modern tactic known as litigation baiting, or triangulation. She is trying to bring a supervisor, the dispatcher, into the mix to override the officer on the scene. She frames the narrative immediately: he's chasing me. He's blinding me. She is trying to create an official government record, the 911 tape, that contradicts the body cam. She hopes that by screaming "I'm scared" into the phone, she can later claim self-defense in court. It is a cynical manipulation of emergency services, diverting resources from actual emergencies to narrate her own resistance. The most chilling moment in the video isn't the screaming, it's the quiet confession of her worldview. "I am the only person that's here for me. I am the only person on this earth for me." This is a profound statement of solipsism. Solipsism is the philosophical idea that only one's own mind is sure to exist. In her intoxicated state, she has retreated into a world where she is the only protagonist. The officer is not a human being doing a job. He is an NPC, non-player character, or an obstacle. The other drivers on the road don't matter. The laws don't matter. This mindset explains her behavior perfectly. Can you not blind me? She views the officer's tactical flashlight, used for his safety to see inside the car, as a personal inconvenience to her. She demands he adjust his safety protocols to suit her comfort. Just let me breathe. She uses basic biological functions as a stalling tactic. She tries to pause the arrest so she can center herself, expecting the state to wait for her to be ready. This is main character syndrome taken to a pathological extreme. She cannot conceive of a world where her immediate desires, to relax, to breathe, to not be blinded, are secondary to the lawful authority of the state. When the officer tries to remove her, she engages in passive resistance, holding onto the car, stiffening up, which quickly morphs into active resistance. She claims, "I just leaned in my car and pushed him with my foot." Let's analyze that sentence. Pushed him with my foot is a sanitized way of saying I kicked a police officer. In the eyes of the law, that is battery on a law enforcement officer. It changes the dynamic from a disorderly conduct arrest to a violent felony. It justifies the officer's escalation of force. The officer threatens the taser multiple times. Get out or you're going to be tased. This is the force continuum in action. Verbal commands. Get out. Failed. Soft empty hand control. Grabbing her wrist/arm. Failed. Hard empty hand control. Pulling her out forcibly. Failed due to her anchoring. Intermediate weapon. Threatened. The taser. The taser is a tool of pain compliance or neuromuscular incapacitation. Its purpose is to override the suspect's will to resist. The officer doesn't want to use it. He warns her repeatedly. He gives her every opportunity to comply. But her "I am the only person" mindset prevents her from submitting. She believes she can win a physical contest of wills against the state. When she is finally removed, notice the instant transition to weaponized victimhood. "You're hurting me. Help me," she screams for help to an empty road. She is performing for an audience that doesn't exist, except for the body cam later. She tries to invoke pity, "I'm a caregiver," immediately after committing violence. This drastic emotional swing from "I'm pushing you with my foot" to "I'm just a poor caregiver" is characteristic of borderline personality traits or severe intoxication instability. She tries on different masks, the victim, the fighter, the caregiver, to see which one will get her out of handcuffs. None of them work. The aftermath of this stop is a sobering look at the catch-and-release nature of our justice system. This woman fled from police, resisted arrest physically, kicked an officer, battery, possessed narcotics, THC/paraphernalia, was driving while impaired. She was charged with multiple felonies and misdemeanors. Yet, 5 months later, she pleaded guilty to 1 count of resisting/failing to stop. The battery? Dismissed. The drugs? Dismissed. The fleeing? Dismissed. She paid $500. $500. That is the price tag the court put on endangering the public, wasting police resources, and assaulting a sergeant. This outcome reinforces the very delusion she suffered from on the side of the road. She believed she was special, that the rules didn't apply to her. And in a way, the court proved her right. She faced almost 0 consequences for a night of mayhem. The body cam doesn't lie, but the court docket often hides the truth. This wasn't just a failure to stop. This was a battle between a woman who thought she was the center of the universe and a cop who was just trying to make sure she wasn't dead. She wanted a break from her life. Instead, she got a break from the legal system. And if that doesn't terrify you about the state of our roads, I don't know what will.